Healthier Together, sponsored by Regents Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon.
It helps people to not feel alone, and then they can share their story as well.
A Yamhill County woman is sharing her story and asking others to do the same to break the stigma around invisible illnesses and mental health.
I had lots of panic attacks and just trouble functioning. No one understood. And so I just constantly feeling like isolated and like I was the problem.
Sara Long and her mom, Michelle, are at the onset of a new nonprofit, Grace Abounds.
We're really, young in our business of trying to create an organization to help others.
Anxiety has been a part of Sara's life since she was a young girl, before she even knew how to describe it.
Had really extreme anxiety, but as a little child, I didn't know how to communicate what was going on. Everybody kind of just said, oh, you're throwing temper tantrums, or, oh, you're just throwing a fit.
Even after being diagnosed with generalized anxiety, she says it's still hard to find the support she needs. It's a struggle that's hard to see on the outside. She wants others living with what she calls invisible illnesses to find connection and community, because learning more about herself and sharing her story has helped in her journey.
Throughout the years, I just found out little bits about how my brain actually works and how I function.
That's why they're starting Grace Abounds, hoping to share stories, create a community of mental health support, and connect people to resources.
I think mostly we just love to hear other people's stories so we can know where to take it from there.
To connect or share your story with Grace Abounds, you'll find a link at kgw.com.